ready to transform your vehicle's handling and ride quality. Let's dive into fine-tuning your Progressive 420 to wrap shocks for peak performance. First, we'll tackle rebound, which controls how quickly the shock returns after compression. Locate the rebound adjustment knob. Usually at the bottom of the shock, turning it clockwise increases rebound damping, slowing down the extension. Counterclockwise decreases it, allowing for faster extension. Too much rebound makes the ride harsh and bouncy. Too little, and your vehicle will feel unstable, like a pogo stick. Start with small adjustments and test ride to find your sweet spot. Next, we move to compression. Compression damping controls how easily the shock compresses when hitting a bump. Locate the compression adjustment screw. You will turn it clockwise to increase compression damping for firmer ride and reduce bottoming out, or counterclockwise to soften the ride. A soft ride can cause bottoming out, so listen to your vehicle and find a sweet spot. Preload determines how much the spring is compressed before the shock even starts to move. To adjust, loosen the lock ring and turn the preload collar. More preload raises the ride height and makes the suspension stiffer, while less preload lowers the ride height and softens the suspension. This is critical for matching the suspension to your vehicle's load and your riding style. Remember, small adjustments are key. Test your vehicle after each change by mastering rebound, compression, and preload. You'll unlock your Progressive 420 to wrap shock's full potential, enhancing handling, ride quality, and overall suspension performance. Get out there and enjoy the ride.